Subscribers often ask me, Lara, is it really possible to find a profitable binary option strategy with a small balance like $50 or $100? This is an interesting question, guys, and I have an answer for you. Yes, guys, I know such strategy, and today I will show you how to use it. This strategy is one of the simplest that I know, and I assure you that once you try it, you will use it constantly. So 2 simple indicators, $50, $100 or even $10 on the balance and an hour of trading time. So let's see how much I can earn. Today I'm going to work with $50 in my wallet, and let's try entering the great deals, and let's try also avoiding the consolidation. So foremost I'm going to see the remarkable graph up of the quotes here because I see there are 3 white shoulders here. It is a pattern which is showing me that some period of cases the trend is going to be much higher. So while it's going to happen, I'm going to my investment and I'm putting here $50. So let's try simply going on with the greens, and let's go. So great fresh start we're having here. Though we're having some cases with the wicks here and the short bodies were growing simply higher, and that's what I was talking to you about. So, but let's get further, let's go and work with the second currency ratio, the Great Britain pound against the Australian dollar. The system has shown us the tendencies to grow down, and the Keltner with 3 lines here with both water lines are showing us the growth down. And also, if you see this ADX line is going to show us also the period of growing a little bit further down. So I'm going to work with my investment and I'm changing it until $90. So that's it. So going to click here further the bears, and let's go. So great, guys, I had my time though I was getting this very bullish hammer. I was happy to find my income here in terms of the bears, so it was really great stuff. And let's go further. Let's find some interesting cases in the third currency ratio. So what's happening here? I see there is for some period a period of consolidation. No matter what the method here it is, I'm using the Keltner and the ADX. That's the best for us to wait for prices to confirm all reversal indicators. And we need some more signals. Let's go to the next currency ratio. Great Britain pound against the Japanese yen. And now see there is more obvious kind of story. I will be going here with my investment. Without any chit-chatting, I'm going to work with $180. So moving on further pretty well with the bears, and let's go. So great situation, guys. So in this very moment you see we invested all that we had, and now we're getting the model of engulfing. So it is happening here, but we need to go further. We need to find some more interesting cases. I'm going to work with euro against the Swiss franc, and here it is. So let's zoom out. Let's make the scale. Wow, it's a great graph here that was happening at 6 o'clock here. And now we're having not so sure tendencies to grow a little bit higher, but anyway, let's go and work with it. So if we have the scale a little bit closer, we're having this variant of bowl, and I will be using it. So anyway, I see the prices are going in some period of consolidation. And there is also a great graph down which is going to be here. Anyway, I see that I have my time, and what else I need to go to my investment. So I'm going to move here with $340. So I will leave $4 for myself, and let's click here with the greens. So that's perfect. As far as you see, we're moving on with this very pattern because it's been shown here. It's called 8 or 9 white shoulders, 8 or 9. So what else? I'm just trying to remember their name. I'm just trying to recall it, and it's called 8 or 9 highest highs, 8 9 tops. So well, that's it. I remember this very pattern and showing us the tendencies of a bullish engulfing. So we had our time before the reversal is going to go here, and now it's happening in a small way in sentiment. So we're moving on further and leaving the smooth like that. Let's go and work with the second currency ratio. Guys, if you don't know how to set up indicators, if you want to start trading, or if you have already started trading but are still losing your money, you definitely need to join our trading community. Every day I trade there with my subscribers and show all my trading signals. Just look at their results, and you can do it too. I will answer all your questions, help you figure out the difficulties, and teach you how to make the first results. Right now, open the description below this video and follow the link you need to become a part of our community. It is absolutely free, but the places are limited, so don't miss your opportunity, and let's get back to our strategy. So what am I having here? I see that there was a tendency after this very highest high here. After this triple top, we're having some tendencies to grow a little bit down. The quotations are much lower than the lowest low of the Keltner channel, and then there is a graph. So there was a free white soldiers kind of pattern which is showing us the engulfing bullish trend, engulfing bullish model. And now I haven't again some nuances to grow down. So now I can see that the long with the ATX, it is showing us with this very blue line. I just colored it turquoise. So this system is showing us the period of consolidation, and in this very moment I think I cannot be really sure what is going to be here as the revealing one. So anyway, let's put here the investment. First of all, I'm going to work here with $600. Okay, now I see that some cases are going to show me the grow up. So I'm using here the green button, and let's go. So perfect system. As far as you see, I've ended up pretty well. I was looking for now one 3 bars pattern and the third one green candlestick. I was waiting for the 3 white soldiers. But as far as you see, there is small sentiment to grow a little bit down. But anyway, I had my time before the green line is going to be a little bit inclined down, and let's go further. I think we have to move on to the next currency. The New Zealand dollar is against the Canadian dollar. What are those dollars going to show us? The system is also going a little bit down with small nuances to go higher. So this is morning hours which are showing us the revealing tendencies, the revealing volatility. So anyway, if you have these very gray wicks and they're crossing the mid-range of the Keltner channel, then maybe in some period of cases it's going to be not so remarkable, but grab up of the quotes. So what I'm going to do here is just revealing the tendencies along with the ATX, because it's showing us both direction and the strength of the trend. So this is just an interesting case for us to worry about, a little bit risky. So I think we need to go next and then we'll call it a day. Let's go to work with the Great Britain and the Japanese yen. So that's a clear kind of story that's perfect for us along with the Keltner and the ATX. So let's work with it. I'm choosing to bring here all that I have, $1,150. So what I'm doing here is just having a bit enough for chit-chatting and going on with reds. So perfect situation, guys. As far as you see, there were a little bit more trembling here, and then I saw the inverted hammers here, and then it was a kind of harmony, and that was shown here, but I had my time, guys. And then I think I have to go another one currency ratio, the euro against the Swiss franc. So this interesting type of story with the green are going to go in the period of sleepy market. But anyway, I think I will have my time, so let's go again with the bait, and the last one investment would be for $2,000. And then let's try ourselves with the greens. Let's go. Perfect, guys, just in the nick of time it was here. So I'm now having almost $4,000. If you have your extra time, like 30 minutes or an hour, I swear you will have your income with this very combination of indicators. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if the content is useful to you. I'm waiting for you in our trading community. Tomorrow we'll hold another trading session together. So don't waste a cool opportunity, and see you again.